What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we got a little bit of project going on. I know you guys probably don't recognize the car behind me. I've not really introduced it to you. This is my, what's that, 03 or 04? I can't remember. It's either 03 or 04 G35 6-speed. It's the car I plan to drift. As you can see, I was in the process of wrapping it. I got the hood and the roof done. I'll show you that later, which is kind of dirty right now. But the other day I'm driving and go to shift. It automatically wanted to go right. Like one wheel was spinning, the other one wasn't. I don't know. I know open diff usually doesn't try to kick out, but it's weird. It feels like it's got a broken control arm or something. So today we're gonna rip the diff out of it. See if we can figure out what's going wrong or what happened, what's going on with it. Stick around, stay tuned, and as soon as we get the diff out, I'll be back with you.
One eternity later.
All right, boys. There she is. Took a little bit more finesse than I thought I was gonna have to do. Gonna give you guys a little bit of backstory. I know I said something about an open diff in the beginning of the video. It's not open diff. I welded the diff at one point, and it broke loose, is what I'm guessing. We're gonna find out. We're gonna bust it open and find out what happened for sure. But just to clear that up, it's not an open diff. It was actually welded. So we're gonna bust the cover off of it and see if we can see anything visible. If not, we'll probably be finding another diff. All right. Much better. I know the 1/2 inch impact's a little bit overkill, but I left my other, I don't have my other impact with me, so you guys just gonna have to bear with me. Well, boys, as you can see, a lot of metal on the drain plug. It's not looking good. Can't tell if all the splines are there, but there's a lot of metal. Try to take some load off the main caps, maybe. See if that'll do us any good. Let's see if we can get that stub out.
"2,000 years later."
This axle stub does not want to come out. I don't know what the deal is. But yeah, I can't get it out. So we are either gonna have to get a whole new carrier assembly, which I really don't want to do because I need this ring gear from the 6-speed. Automatics are a lot taller of a gear, I guess you would say. Taller. They're better on the big end. They're not good for bottom end. So I really need a 6-speed ring gear and pinion at the very least. But yeah, can't get it out, guys. So don't really know what I'm gonna do. Sorry, I've got you guys upside down. Don't really know what I'm gonna do at this point. Yeah, so I don't know, guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Hopefully I've got a solution, and I guess that's where I'll pick the video up.